Hey guys, welcome to another episode in YaadMentz Tries. Alright, so before we tell you what we're doing today, first we want to remind you guys that you need to subscribe. Please subscribe if you enjoy our content. Please continue to share our content.
Yes.
Give us a thumb up if you like this video. Remember to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz also. And we have a Facebook page.
Hit the notification bell as well.
Yes, hit the notification bell. Why am I always forgetting to tell you guys that?
Yeah, that's exciting.
Hit the notification
Facebook and the
bell.
Instagram.
I remember to follow us on Facebook also, or like our page on Facebook.
Like our page on Facebook.
Alright, so today we'll be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be trying something new today, which is the Jabba's Peppa swims. Alright,
I mean, it's not new. I think it's been around for like
we will be trying something new
it's new to
ourselves.
us.
Right?
It's not new. It's been around probably like for a year.
I don't know
or two.
how long it's been around.
Probably like a year or two.
Don't know how long it's been around, but we're gonna be trying Jabba's Peppa swims for the first.
Shrimp?
It says swims.
Swims?
Yes.
Oh.
Jabba's Peppa swims.
Swims.
For the first time, which is shrimp.
Right.
So we're gonna be doing that today, but also while we're eating and while we're trying to swim shrimps, we're actually gonna be answering a few questions that you guys would have given us.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be like kind of doing
a mukbang vibe.
Mukbang kind of vibe.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoy this video.
Yeah.
So let's get straight into.
Alright, so let us a little about the product. Again, it's called Jabba shrimp. It's
Jabba's Peppa
Jabba's
swims.
I don't know. I keep saying shrimp. It's swims.
Yeah.
Swims.
Yeah.
Right. So it's a packet product that you can buy in supermarkets.
Yes, and you can also, I believe, we might also do deliveries also.
Okay.
So you can check out their Instagram page, and you can organize to have how many you want to deliver.
Right. So it's definitely a product of Jamaica. It's produced by Culinary Creations, and
in Kingston. So it's a product of Jamaica, obviously.
So the ingredients is shrimp, salt, Scotch bonnet pepper. No additive, no preservatives.
So that's awesome.
Right. It have a short shelf life.
Right.
So you have to get it and then
eat it
as quickly as possible.
We actually saw them. They had a booth at Meat Street, Jamaica Food and Drink Festival, Meat Street. Yeah, they did. So we actually saw them there. You guys should check out that vlog of us going to Meat Street 20. It was this year or last year?
It was
last year. Meat Street 2018. So you guys can check that out. We'll link that video in the iCards, and of course check out our other videos if you haven't. And so we're gonna throw out a little bit of them.
You definitely have that
pepper smell.
Shrimpy.
Seafood smell.
Why? I don't say seafood and I said shrimp smell.
Shrimp smell.
Shrimp smell. So I go and give a close up of how it looks. Yeah.
And you can see the pepper on it, like for real. Yeah, you can actually see the pepper on top of the shrimp. As you guys would probably see in the close-up, and there's actually the Scotch bonnet pepper, that add pepper there. Right. Actually, in the bag, you can see it in there. Right.
I mean, this type of shrimp you normally could get on the roadsides. That you have some persons that sell them. Mainly in Half a Tree downtown. Yeah. And if you go on the beach, you have people who have these kind of shit, but normally they're not chilled. So the thing with this package, they keep it on the fridge. So you have to go into the fridge section or the fridge section of the supermarket to find the product, right? Because it's chilled, right? So yeah. And of course, because it's Peppa swims, we have to have our handy on the water. Yeah, we have some water just in case it's you know what I'm saying? It's too peppery. Yeah. All right, so let us jump in the questions as well.
Yeah, let's jump in the questions while having a shrimp or two.
All right, so question number 1: how is married life?
You want me to answer?
Sure, you can go first.
People, you get this question a lot when
people ask you a lot.
Newly married, I would say. For those of you who don't know, we got married in 2018 recently. Hasn't been a year yet. You guys should check out our engagement video if you haven't. We'll link it also. So married life for me, it's good. I mean,
definitely peppery.
Yeah. Married life is good. Before I tell you what I think about the swims, it's been a different experience. We didn't live together before, so it would have been a new experience living together
for both of us.
For both of us, doing different things together, being up in each other's grill. But for the most part, I would say it's good. We did date for a good while, so we had a good idea of, you know, what each other liked and disliked and how we did things. But similarly with me, it's two different things, but it has been a pleasurable experience for me. What you say?
Marriage life is awesome. And I got that answer from her aunt. I remember she asking me that question and she was like, how is marriage life? And I said, it's good. She said, no, never say marriage life is good. Marriage life is awesome. So young couples out there, marriage life is awesome. But yeah, it's for me, it's a learning process. Living with somebody that I've never lived with before. And I cannot continue or not stop saying it's a learning process for me, because you know, you learn something new every day about the person. You're not going to know everything like off the bat like that. So, you know, every day you learn a new side. It's like a flower or I'll just say onion, different layers. As you go along, you see the different layers peel off. But the journey has been awesome so far. Yeah.
Alright, so tell me what you think about the shrimp now. Alright,
again, well, the shrimp is good. It does have that shrimpy taste, like as I said, you would buy it on the road. Shrimp. So it's peppery. It's not overbearing with the pepper, which is good because it's Scotch bonnet pepper. If you know Scotch bonnet pepper, it's hot. But the pepper,
some of them not so hot.
Right, the pepper to shrimp ratio, I think it's good. I think they cover that well.
Yeah, I agree. So, yeah. I think the shrimp bomb.com tastes really good. Has enough spice and everything, I would say. Yeah, I don't know, it's easy to eat. Kind of feel like you just want to keep eating and eating and eating and eating. Yeah,
make sure you have like a napkin also, because the juices is going to run like so much.
Yeah, but would you give it a YaadMentz thumbs up?
Yeah, I would definitely give it a YaadMentz thumbs up. It's something that I definitely buy.
Yeah, I really like it.
If I feel for that
seafood
vibe. Alright, so next question. What inspired you or us to do YouTube?
You want to start or should I?
Alright, so how we got started really is that I remember watching a video with Dev and I approached her and said, hey, you know, I think we have a good camera chemistry. You know, I think we can do a YouTube channel together. And she was like, oh no, you want to come do YouTube channel with me, blah 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 blah. But I'm like, yeah, you know. But finally she gave in to the idea, and we brainstormed what we wanted to do. Hence we came up with the name YaadMentz, and it's all history.
Yeah, that was basically it. The whole YaadMentz idea was basically inspired out of, you know, we watch a lot of YouTube.
We do.
And everything is so Americanized to me. You don't really necessarily have a lot of people, a lot of Jamaican people doing Jamaican reviews. You have overseas people reviewing things that they buy online, but you don't have people from Jamaica who are in Jamaica, who are in the supermarkets, at the shops, you know, out here seeing the local stuff every day, trying stuff and giving their Jamaican opinion on it. We
have seen quite a few that are out there, but none with the consistency of keep on putting out content like that.
Right, they might do it a one-off thing. So for instance, they might let's try Jamaican snacks today, and they do something different. It's not consistently Jamaican content all the time.
Right.
So we decided that, you know what, nobody else not doing it out here, so we're gonna review our own things. Everybody wants to review something from elsewhere.
Right.
And nothing is wrong with that, but you know, we decided that we need to showcase what we have here in Jamaica, which is a lot. There are a lot of people producing a lot of different things, and as you can see in our YaadMentz Trials episode, there are things that literally come out every week, every month. There are different stuff that come out, so we thought, you know, definitely we can showcase Jamaica, the island, what we have to offer from a Jamaican's point of view.
Okay. What is your favorite meal, or what is our favorite meal as a couple and as an individual? Do we have a favorite meal though?
Like as a couple?
I would say one time it was Kentucky.
One time you eat KFC, like wow. KFC chicken. We have KFC chicken. Individually know what you like. I love curry. So curry chicken, curry goat, curry turkey neck. Oh God, big up my mother who cook a bad curry turkey neck because it's self mommy. If you're watching. Yeah. I love curry. I love curry stuff.
Individually, I don't even remember. Can you not remember what you like though?
You like chicken. You like stewed chicken.
No, I rather like jerk chicken. I love jerk chicken.
Yeah, he likes jerk chicken.
I love jerk chicken. Like jerk chicken on festival, I'll have that like almost every day of the week. Definitely jerk chicken on festival. The jerk chicken not for big, on a regular jerk chicken. You know?
Yeah, big up for jerk man done so.
Woo. Being a young Christian couple, is married life like sex all the time?
No, it's not.
No, it's not sex all the time.
Sex is important in your relationship, yeah, obviously, in your marriage, but that's not it. Yeah. I wouldn't encourage anybody out there to get married just to have sex.
Yeah, it's not sex every single day. I mean,
there's so much more. Like you can experience in person than just sex.
Yeah. I mean, there are other things to do. You have to work. Sometimes you come home, you're tired.
Yeah.
You know, you go work out, you're tired. So sometimes you don't have time for sex. But you do have sex. You understand? It is important, and we do have sex a lot. Okay. But even though we don't have sex like every day.
Alright, thanks. That's enough now. That is enough now.
Next question. Have you guys ever been through a serious rough patch while dating, and how did you move on past that? I mean, I think we have been through several, but for me it's just talking through it, because she likes to flesh out things. So it's just walking through the steps with her on a continuous basis, because she'll not sit down and take like a one shot. It's like she go back, alright, so this and why you said that, and it goes on. But yeah, we have, and the thing is that we, as I said, we talk about it. You understand? We flesh it out and we get it out instead of keep it bottled in. So it's good to, women like to talk. So gentlemen, listen and sit down and talk. Because,
alright, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I would say yes, we have been through rough patches, you know, while we were dating. And how we got through it, well, I am the type of person that I like to discuss things. I like to have closure. So I need to have a discussion about it. If I feel like there's a question that I need answered, you know, after we've had a discussion and I'm just not clear on something, I'm gonna ask and I'm gonna get clarity on it and I'm gonna get closure on it. But him, he's kind of the opposite, where sometimes if something happens, you know, him like to think about it like before, you know, he has a conversation.
Right.
And so that is something in your relationship that you have to understand to and be willing to compromise with each other and bear with each other in that regard, because everybody doesn't handle situations the same way.
Right.
So whereas I want a discussion right now, he may want to just cool off a little bit, or he may want to just think things through, so that when he comes to have the discussion, you know, you're not saying anything that will be hurtful to the other person.
Right.
And you have your thoughts together. You're not saying things that maybe are not relevant, or, you know, that may cause more harm than good. So everybody's different, but we do at the end of the day tend to talk it out and communicate about our feelings on the whole situation, and just try to move past it as best as possible.
Right.
Yeah.
So when are you gonna have some babies? When are you gonna have some babies?
When the time is right.
That's a question like a lot of persons.
A lot of people ask you that. As you get married, them just want you to have children.
So you not have pitney when you have pitney.
Especially because our values are different. You know, we waited until we were married to do certain things, and, you know, to live together and so on. So, you know, we'd like to experience us together, you know, before, you know, we include children. But it's something that we, you know, we both do want children, but
of course,
when the time is right, Uno will know, okay? Uno can't stop us.
The children will come and they'll be a part of the YaadMentz.
Yes, they'll be a part of the YaadMentz journey. Don't worry yourself.
Who do you watch on YouTube?
I watch J Skull, big up yourself, good girl. She's a Jamaican YouTuber. You guys go and follow her on Instagram and subscribe to her channel. I also watch Deandra Quotes. She does natural hair, I guess beauty, and lifestyle. I watch the Delavus. It's a family. The mom is a Jamaican, the father is a French native, and they have a child. She's expecting a child now. I watch her. I like to watch like family people and natural hair bloggers, like, yeah, different people.
Alright, for me, I watch a lot of tech reviews. I watch a lot of sports reviews as well. I watch a lot of editing channels as well to help me to see what ideas out there to watch. I don't really have a favorite YouTube channel, But for me, I just try to learn as much. I watch a lot of Vox videos. I like to know what is happening out there because I don't really watch cable. So everything that every information that I get is from the internet. So I watch a lot of Vox. I watch a lot of Hi-Ho Kids. They're so hilarious.
They're so cute. Hi-Ho Kids.
Check them
Love
out.
that channel.
Hi-Ho Kids. They're so hilarious. When they try food, like food from across the world, it is so hilarious to see children like, "Ooh, I don't like this," and you see the excitement in their face when they
the expressions are so priceless.
Right. So I think Clara on that channel is my favorite. When she started, she was so funny. But Hi-Ho Kids is one of my funny favorite stuff to watch on YouTube.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see what else we can ask. What was your favorite episode of YaadMentz tries to film?
What was my favorite episode? I don't know. I think I like the vegan box. When we tried the vegan box, which we'll link to, that was my favorite one because, like, you know, I've never tried anything vegan before ever in life. You know, so
really?
that was fun. Yeah.
Okay.
I've never had anything vegan.
My favorite episode video to film. I'm thinking about. I'm just gonna get something quick. The cheese up.
Cheese up? KFC cheese up. You remember that?
Yeah. When it came
not add that again.
Yeah, it's not a video anymore. Why it's my favorite? It was our first YaadMentz tries video.
Yeah, it was.
You know, we were like, let us do this and, you know, see where it goes. So that was my favorite to film. I remember it was a rainy day and I was out trying to get the cheese up to come over and film it, and we did. But that was my favorite too.
Yeah, and that video has gotten so many views. I think it's
our
most viewed YaadMentz tries episode.
Alright, 2 more questions. Is YouTube your full-time job? Do you guys work apart from YouTube?
No, it's not. Yes, we both work.
Right. YouTube is not our full-time job. Currently, we don't have enough subscribers. We do need subscribers.
Yeah, so you guys subscribe
to get that book from Google. But yes,
last,
we do have 95 jobs.
Yeah.
We do have 95 jobs. Last question. What's your favorite thing about each other? What's your favorite thing about me?
God, your body is just so hot. I joke. No joke, but yeah, my husband is a very attractive person, as you guys obviously see on our videos. He's very attractive. And if you know him in person, he's very attractive. Don't be looking too hard, because I will get you off. Anyway, I like that he's very driven. And motivated him. Don't let nothing stop him. Like, you know, where he is now is not where he's gonna be in the future, and he's gonna work hard and be determined to end up where he wants to be. So he's very goal oriented, very driven, and I love that about him.
Yeah, I would say the same thing about her. I love the fact that she has her thoughts.
Somebody not at to.
Can I do that? Can I say one time? I love the fact that, you know, she has stuff. She know when to get her things together. You know what I mean? Her thoughts and how she wants to just get stuff done. Yes, she's a beautiful woman. You know, she has a really nice smile. Smile, let me see. And I give her a smile. Yeah, she has a really nice smile, and her eyes as well.
Yeah, I think you love my eyes.
I love the fact that, you know, she's organized. You know, she's not one of them good girls. It's the good thing them, yeah. But guys, we want to thank you for watching this mukbang.
Yeah, this
YaadMentz tries and this
Jabba swims.
Jabba shrimps.
Yeah.